Guys, welcome back to Ms.TeesDollroom, and today's video is inspired by a challenge that's currently going on Instagram, and it was initiated by @collecting Miss Barbie and Jin Yang 1979, and the hashtag for this challenge is hashtag MYOWNBARBIESTYLE, and this of course is inspired by the new Barbie style gift set that's come out. Okay guys, I was looking around my doll room to see if I had a container, something that was sectioned off so that I could make my own Barbie style gift set, and I didn't find anything that I was satisfied with, so I decided to make one really quick. And I made this out of one piece of Dollar Tree foam board. So this bottom board right here that I cut already is 14 by 20 inches. And then I made 4 strips that are 2 inches by 14 inches long. So I have 4 of those. And then I have 2 longer strips that are going to go on the sides that are 2 inches by 20 inches long. So that was all the cutting I had to do. That was more than enough. And so right now I'm going to show you some of my cardboard edges for my 14 by 20 inch pieces were not the best cuts. So what I decided to do, I had some white contact paper, just plain white contact paper. So the first thing I'm going to do is cover all 4 of my 2 by 14 inch pieces in this contact paper. So make it nice, clean, and white. And what I'm doing is just pinching the edges closed with the adhesive, like so, and then I'll just cut them off. And because the writing is on the outside and you can still kind of see it, I'm going to use that for an outside wall right there. And then I did not cover the bottom piece of the board with the contact paper because I didn't want it to reflect the light off of it, so it'll have a matte finish. So I'm going to go and I'm going to glue my pieces in place. Let's see, yeah, this way. There we go. And it doesn't have to be the best crafting job. It's just something, I just wanted a basic white outline so that I could kind of section off my little compartments. That was it. You know, that isn't the best job, so let's see, what can we do about that? So what I'm going to do is turn this over and use. Okay, so now that we have all our pieces covered, I'm just going to take these and put these 2 outer pieces on the edge right here. then I wanted a piece right here, and I marked the lines. This is where my doll is going to be in the center here. Now the longer pieces, the 20-inch, 2 by 20-inch pieces, I did not cover them. And they're also going to be a little bit shorter. And I just decided right now that I actually don't have to have them. You know? I think this will be just fine for me taking my pictures and everything. So I don't think I'm going to put them on because my phone cord, I didn't cut it as precisely as I should have to make a bona fide box. It looks okay though. But I think what I'm going to do is just work with this basic shell right here. So I'll have this part for my doll, and then I'll have the outfit pieces or gift set pieces laying within this format. So I decided that I'm not going to cover these pieces, and I'm not going to put them on the ends because I should have glued them on first and then cut the pieces inside to fit it, but I didn't do that. So I think I'm just going to leave that part off, and it still gives me a placement area for me to attach my gift set items, and I have a column in here for my dolls, and I think I'm going to be satisfied with that. I do have some discolorations to this foam board here from pencil markings, but that's okay because the things I place can sit on top of that. So let me gather my things, and then I'm going to show you what my idea of my own Barbie style gift set would look like. Okay guys, so I'm ready to fill my gift set, and the first thing I want to show you is this doll. She was a fashionista doll with an afro. She was actually Cheerful Chick, the one with the 2 afro puffs, and she was repainted by John Copeland Childers. So she's one of my favorite Barbie dolls, and I'll give you a close-up of her. Here she is, and she is wearing a little teddy, halter strap teddy that was designed by MYOWNBARBIESTYLE. So that's what she's wearing, with some silver hoops in her ears. So I'll place her here. And then we have a Burberry print dress by Clear Lawn with a matching bag and a black leather hat with the Burberry lining that we're going to place here. Then we have a red swimsuit, and this is a Fashion Royalty piece there. And then we also have a red Birkin bag and a pair of Fashion Royalty slingback pumps here. And an umbrella for that side. Then we have a more neutral ensemble. We're going to give her a sundress. We're going to give her a fedora. And this is a pair of Barbie pack shoes. They're like a bronze tan. We're going to give her a Louis Vuitton bag. And a pair of sunglasses here. We're going to give her some more casual attire. Pair of jeans. And this is a fashionista piece. It's a jacket with a turtleneck and a pair of Barbie sandals. And I'm looking for my double-sided tape so I can make that jacket lay flat. Just get a little picture here. A little piece. Oops. Okay, and I found a few more accessories. I have some jewelry here from the Natural High Lilith, and it has just a pair of really tiny gold hoops and a gold ring. So we'll put that there. And then I also have a necklace for her and a gold Barbie cell phone. It's like an iPhone. We'll put that there. And I have some makeup tools, a brush, and an eyebrow comb and brush there. A little compact. It's black. A little blush it looks like. And we have a tube of lipstick we'll place right next to it. And we have a red Rement lollipop. And I'll give you guys a close-up shot of this so you can see what I've done. And here we have her passport, so we'll put that there. We gave her a cup of coffee. And a map. And some cash. So we're going to put those right there. So this completes my own Barbie style challenge submission. So let me get the camera and I'll give you guys a close-up. This was a lot of fun. Didn't take me long. Probably maybe 15-20 minutes just to cut out, you know, a couple of pieces of foam board and glue them onto the board. It took me longer to select the clothing that I wanted my gift set to have, because I have so much of it. So I wanted to have somewhat of a theme to it. So she has a business attire here and a swimsuit for after hours in case she wants to take a swim. And then this is a casual touring outfit with the jeans and the sleeveless turtleneck here and the little jacket. And this is more of a sunny day trip here with a lined sundress in neutral tones with a fedora and her Louis Vuitton bag made by Raleigh Lee, sunglasses, and her Barbie bronze heels. So I think everything came together. Let me know if you like my own Barbie style challenge submission, and drop me a comment down below. And if you've participated in this particular challenge on Instagram, why don't you drop me your Instagram tag in the comments and I'll go check you out. You can find my Instagram information in the description box. I wanted to give you all a close-up pan. The Burberry dress came from Clear Lawn several years ago. And these two pieces, the hat and the bag, were Integrity Toys Tarik. They came out, the Icon Tarik that had those pieces. And here's my beautiful Barbie, repainted by John Copeland Childers. She was originally the Cheerful Check fashionista that had the yellow and black plaid dress on with the two Afro puffs. And beautiful white lace teddy by Tamisha Yarborough McPherson. Then we have some generic Barbie jeans, fashionista jacket. That is a sleeveless turtleneck. That's a Barbie piece. Black shoes, sandals are Barbie. And this sundress came off of a generic doll that was featured in Walmart probably 10 years ago. Don't remember her name. And that's the Integrity Toys fedora and sunglasses and a Raleigh Lee Louis Vuitton bag and Barbie shoes. Alright guys, so if you like this content, give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you have any comments, leave me a comment. And I'll see you back in the next video. Bye.